Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every week. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make another ultimate dessert, a creamy and delicious panna cotta, the UBE Decadence. It is a mixture of all-purpose cream or any cream, evaporated milk, condensed milk, vanilla, and gelatin. The ingredients are 1 pack of all-purpose cream, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1/2 can to 1 can of condensed milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin mixed with 1 cup of hot water, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Now we're going to start. So first, we grease our pan, our Pyrex. Grease. Grease with butter so you can remove your ube easily. Then we're going to put ube halaya. At the bottom of the pan. Okay. Then I'm going to press this. Then we're going to cook over heat 1 can of kebab, 1 pack of all-purpose cream. We're going to melt this 1 cup, 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin. Dissolve it properly. Then we're going to add 1 can of condensed milk. Okay, we're going to cook. tablespoon of vanilla. We have to let this cool. Then we pour to our ube, our mixture here, slowly. There. Let this cool and then we top with grated ube. Chill your ube and then grate. Or put in the freezer for an hour. Ubi halaya. This is ubi halaya. Done. The UBE Decadence. There you have it. Our very delicious UBE Decadence. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!